So, you're thinking of moving to Palm Coast, Florida, but not sure if the state of homeowners insurance makes it possible to even move to Florida? That's exactly what we're going to chat about in this video. Florida's homeowner insurance rates are the highest in the nation, but a consumer advocacy group tied to the Florida Chamber says property insurance reforms have stabilized a market that some, not that long ago, worried was on the brink of collapse. We're going to talk about those reforms and what they mean for you and your move to Palm Coast, Florida. And we're going to get after it right now. Hi, my name is Stephanie Schulis with Real Broker. Thanks so much for joining us today. If this is your first time to the channel, please be sure to tap that button below to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you can be the first to be notified every time we put out brand new content all about Palm Coast, Florida living and moving to Palm Coast and the surrounding areas. We get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you looking to make the move to Palm Coast every day, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're thinking of moving in the next 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, and we'll do everything we can to help you make a smooth move to Palm Coast, Florida. If you're thinking about buying a home in Florida, or you're already a homeowner here, you've probably heard about how insane the insurance market has been over the past few years. But here's the good news. 2025 is looking a whole lot better. Thanks to recent reforms, premiums are starting to drop, new insurers are entering the market, and Citizens Insurance, Florida's insurer of last resort, is finally shrinking. Today, I'm breaking down why this is happening, what it means for your wallet, and how it affects buying and selling real estate in Florida. Let's rewind a bit. In 2021, Florida's insurance market was in crisis. Insurers were pulling out, homeowners were facing skyrocketing premiums, and Citizens was ballooning with more than 1.4 million policies. And litigation, Florida had only 8% of the country's homeowners policies, but accounted for 76% of all litigation related to those policies. That's mind-blowing. The result? Private insurers lost nearly $850 million in 1 year, pushing rates even higher. Fast forward to today, and the Florida legislature made some big moves. Reform number 1, capping attorney fees to cut down on excessive lawsuits. Reform number 2, attracting new insurers by reducing red tape and risk exposure. Reform number 3, making Citizens harder to qualify for to shift people back to the private market. According to Commissioner Mike Yarsky, there have been over 120 rate filings for decrease or 0% increases just this year. That's a huge turnaround. Here's where it gets exciting. 14 new insurance carriers have been approved since 2023, just 2 of them last month. Litigation is down 30%, and Citizens' policy numbers dropped 36% in the past year, from 1.4 million to under 800,000. That also means their exposure dropped from 520 billion to 295 billion. That's a 43% reduction, helping to secure the market long term. Citizens was never meant to be Florida's primary insurance provider. It was created as a last resort. But with private companies fleeing the state, it became the default for millions. Now that private companies are re-entering, people are leaving Citizens, and that's a very good thing. Lower exposure equals lower risk for state-backed bailouts. Here's the kicker. Between 2013 and 2020, insurance companies paid out $15 billion, but only 8% went to consumers. Over 70% went to attorneys. The new laws cap legal fees and aim to reduce fraudulent or unnecessary lawsuits, which drives down costs for everyone. Experts say if the trends continue, we could see year-over-year drops in average premiums, although we'll still likely stay above the national average for a while. The key is momentum. The more stability we build, the more confidence homeowners and insurers alike will have in the Florida market. So how does this affect you? Buyers, there's more options, more stable insurance, better predictability on premiums. Sellers, easier to close deals when buyers aren't shocked by a $6,000 quote. Agents, there's less chaotic market, easier to advise clients and attract new ones. So what does it mean for you? Whether you're a buyer, seller, or real estate professional, understanding Florida's changing insurance landscapes gives you a massive edge. If you learned something new today, give this video a like and a subscribe. I publish weekly videos just like this to help you navigate the Florida real estate market with confidence. And if you're planning to buy or sell in Florida, especially here in Palm Coast, Florida, or the surrounding areas, give me a call. I'd love to help you make your next move a smart one. That's it for this video. We'll see you on the next one.